Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the white of a shape outline in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and select the shape. Then we can see here many shape. You can add or draw any shape. Now I am select the heart shape and draw the shape. Press and hold shift on our keyboard to make the shape perfect. Then go to the shape, select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Now we can see the white is very thick. You want to change the white, go to the format menu and select the outline option, and we can see here the white. You can change this, increase the white, otherwise decrease. You can change the color, select the outline and choose another color. You can add more than style or effect, select the format shape option and enable the line. Then we can see here the increase transparency of line or color or the white or compound type. You can make the outline double or triple. Now we can see we change the white very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.